Here's the news of the day for May 14th of 2025.
Dolunts is launching its AI-powered indoor drone system with instant battery swapping for 24/7 warehouse automation, using NVIDIA Jetson to enable real-time navigation, inspection, and anomaly detection without human intervention.
Dr. Troy Meink has been confirmed as Secretary of the Air Force, bringing decades of engineering and space-focused defense experience to lead modernization across air and space forces.
eVTOL Insights launched the Women in AAM website to spotlight and support female leaders in advanced air mobility, with resources, podcasts, and a new WhatsApp group for networking and collaboration.
Klein Vision unveiled the world's first mass-produced flying car prototype at the Living Legends of Aviation Gala, where inventor Stefan Klein was honored for his groundbreaking role in personal air mobility.
Bangkok Airways will use domestically produced sustainable aviation fuel from PTT Oil and Retail, marking Thailand's first use of co-processed SAF in commercial flight operations.
Qantas received its largest ever 2 million litre shipment of sustainable aviation fuel at Sydney Airport, marking a key step towards scaling SAF use through partnerships with Ampol, Sydney Airport, and its SAF coalition.
Sheltair has opened a new 30-unit T-hangar complex at Melbourne Orlando International, offering over 34,500 square feet for light aircraft and enhanced amenities for general aviation.
Aerodienst signed a framework deal with EAP to expand engine maintenance in Europe, starting with Honeywell TFE 731 support at its Nuremberg facility.
Schubach Aviation has opened a Manhattan office to expand its national reach, enhancing access to charter, acquisition, and management services in one of the world's key aviation markets.
Neptune Aviation is deploying 2 more air tankers for wildfire season, bringing 7 aircraft into service nationwide under federal contracts to respond within minutes of a call.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.